Good morning, class. Today we will start with the new topic of chapter number 2. Topic number 3, predecessor and successor and building numbers. Firstly, we will start with the topic predecessor and successor. Let's understand what is predecessor. A number that comes just before a given number is called predecessor of that number. We can obtain predecessor of a given number by subtracting 1 from it. For example, 456, the predecessor of 456 is 456 minus 1 equals to 455. Now let's solve some more examples. Write the predecessor of the given numbers. As you know that predecessor is minus 1 the given number. So our first number is 9999 and the predecessor is 9998. Next number is 1000. The predecessor is 999. Next is 7000. The predecessor is 6999. Next is 3111 and the predecessor is 3110. Now we will understand what is successor. A number that comes just after a given number is called successor of that number. We can obtain successor of a number by adding 1 to the given number. For example, 173. The successor of 173 is 173 plus 1, which is equals to 174. Now let's solve some more examples. Write the successor of the given numbers. As you know that successor is plus 1 the given number. So our first number is 999. When we add 1 to it, we will get 1000. Next number is 899. The successor is 900. Next number is 5567. The successor is 5568. Now we will move to the next topic, that is building numbers. In this, we will learn how to form smallest and greatest number using the given digits. Before this, we will understand some rules to form greatest and smallest number. Rules to form the greatest number. Rule number 1. Arrange the digits in descending order. Second, we will remove all the commas to form the greatest number. For example, let's take digit 1, 4 and 2. We will arrange these digits in descending order and form the greatest number. So, the greatest number formed is 421. Let's take one more example. Let's take the digit 8091. We will first arrange them in descending order and remove all the commas. So the greatest digit formed is 9810. Now let's move further. Rules to form the smallest number. Rule number 1. While forming the smallest number, remove all the commas. Rule number 2. If no digit is 0, arrange the digit in ascending order. For example, let's take digit 4935. We will first remove all the commas and then we will arrange the digits in descending order. So, the smallest number formed is 3459. Rule number 3. If one digit is 0. Number 1. Write 0 at tens place if 3 digits are given. Second, write 0 at hundreds place if 4 digits are given. For example, let's take the digit 402. It is a 3-digit number. As 3 digits are there, so we will write 0 at tens place and the smallest digit formed is 204. In 0624, 4 digits are there, so the smallest number formed is 2046, as we will place 0 at hundreds place. I hope you have understood the topic. Now let's form greatest and smallest number using following digits. With digits 8425, smallest number formed is 2458 and the greatest number is 8542. With digits 7092, smallest number formed is 2079 and the greatest number is 9720. Digits 085, smallest number formed is 508 and greatest number formed is 850. Now last 6712, smallest number formed is 1267 and the greatest number formed is 7621. I hope you have understood the topic. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.